Alright guys, now it's time to check out Adventure Port. We are walking into this area now. This is going to give you an update on where they're at, what they've, how far they've gone at this point. You can see the new decking area over here at the restaurant and bar area. Looks real good. Definitely looks really good. You see new concrete poured in this area. Really excited about it. You can go ahead and see the banners here that they have up for the area. Alright, so this is your look at the new rides in this area. So here's the location for one of the new rides.
That's scary. No, that's going to be that probably. The water.
And then location number 2. The other ride. In this area as well. Ride number 2 is going to be over this way. So ride 1, ride 2's over here. So this is going to change the entire area here. So you can see the area here for ride number 2. See the works going in for the entrance to Adventure Express in this area as well. So this changes the whole area, which was once done by Slingshot used to be here. Now you have this new area coming to Adventure Port. You see the blue vibrant colors in this area. Painted the Code Freestyle area. You can see all the concept art that's already been shared. Adventure Express, Cargo Loco, Soul Spin. You can see coming this summer. You see the new Enrique's, where they painted it. New planter here. New seating in this area here. Everything looks really good. Excited for them to get the rides completed and put in. They will be Zamperla rides that they're adding. You can see you get a really awesome look here of Banshee walking in, as you did before, but now it's more open with the trees and everything gone. So yeah, new concrete in this whole area, new planters, new tables. So this is the Adventure Port area. Hope you guys enjoyed this construction update and the new restaurant in front of us and the updated Code Freestyle building. And we will bring you more on this project when it opens.